Hi there, it's Dr. Sam. Here is our amazing standard process pack for inflammation and joint stiffness. This pack includes Glucosamine Synergy, Boswellia Complex, Cataplex D, and Tuna omega-3 oil. Glucosamine Synergy is a name that entails exactly as the name implies. It's a synergistic product. Glucosamine is a protein that is naturally occurring in connective tissue or the soft tissue in your body. This works very well with Ligaplex 2, which is also included in here, that provides support to the ligaments, the harder tissues in your body. Secondly, we have Boswellia, or frankincense, that helps the body heal faster. So these combination of minerals and vitamins help lubricate and rebuild cartilage, which is critical for mobility and joint stiffness. Boswellia Complex helps further focus on the anti-inflammatory component of joint stiffness and inflammation for any area of the body. Next, we have Cataplex D, which is our vitamin D supplement. Now, most Americans have low vitamin D. Vitamin D is imperative for many functions in the body, including immune health and making calcium available for the body's tissues and bones. Lastly, we have Tuna omega-3 oil, which provides a naturally occurring balance of DHA and EPA, which have been shown to enhance circulation, support immune system, endocrine, neurological, and musculoskeletal function. For best results, we recommend this protocol for a minimum of 6 weeks, and in some cases, this program may be considered for longer periods of time at the dosages recommended on the front of the bottle. Most people will get the best results when these products are taken consistently. Under certain circumstances, a more specific group of supplements might be recommended.